How to get Apple Music free trial. Apple Music offers a free trial for new users, allowing you to explore its vast library of music, playlists, and exclusive content. Here's a step-by-step guide to activating your free trial. Overview. The standard Apple Music free trial lasts 1 month. Extended trials up to 3 to 6 months may be available through promotions or device purchases. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app or website. On your device, open the Apple Music app. Alternatively, visit www.apple.com/applemusic in a web browser. Step 2. Click Try It Free. Look for the Try It Free button on the homepage or app interface. Tap or click to start the trial process. Step 3. Sign in or create an Apple ID. If you already have an Apple ID, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an Apple ID, create one by providing your email address, password, and other details. Step 4. Choose a subscription plan. Select your preferred subscription plan. Individual plan for 1 user. Family plan for up to 6 family members. Student plan requires verification with a valid student email. All plans start with a free trial. Step 5. Enter payment information. Provide a valid payment method, credit, debit card, or PayPal. You won't be charged during the trial, but charges will apply after it ends unless you cancel. Step 6. Start enjoying Apple Music. Once your trial is activated, access the full Apple Music library, curated playlists, and exclusive content. Download music for offline listening and create custom playlists. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Open Settings on your Apple device or visit your Apple ID account. Navigate to Subscriptions Apple Music. Select Cancel Free Trial to prevent charges. Optional step, look for extended free trials. Promotions with Apple devices. If you've recently purchased an Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you may qualify for a 3 to 6 month free trial. Activate through the Apple Music app after signing in with your Apple ID. Service bundles. Check if the Apple One bundle offers an extended trial for Apple Music along with other Apple services. Following these steps ensures you can enjoy Apple Music for free during the trial and decide if you want to continue with a subscription.